G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to show you a purchase that I made not that long ago from Banggood. This arrived about a week ago, and I've always wanted one of these battery testers or battery analyzers. Now, like I said, I purchased this from Banggood, I believe for around 30 bucks. It was on sale at the time. I believe the usual price for these is around $34 US. But however, I did see a sale on this once again. For around $21. That was a few days ago. So I have to have a check and see if that promo deal is still valid. I believe they had a code for this particular product to get it at that price. So yeah guys, this is a 12 and 24 volt car, truck and motorcycle battery tester analyzer tool. Now what this tool does is have multiple detection options, as you can see here, which you can analyze the health of your battery. So we can check the cold start current, okay? So your CCA, usually you got a sticker on your battery that might tell you got 550 cranking amps, for example. There'll be 550 CCA. So that's when you have cold starts on your vehicle. You got your battery internal resistance, which is rather important actually. The higher the number, the resistance is, it means your battery is starting to get pretty much damaged. Okay, so we've got that. We've got your voltage detection, of course, to tell you the volt readout, battery power detection, and battery life analysis. So basically that last one there will tell you if you've got a healthy battery or it needs replacing. Okay, this also does have multiple protection. So it does have the over voltage input protection. Okay, so you can't really overvolt this device or it's going to malfunction on you. You got your positive and negative reverse polarity connection. Now, if you accidentally, put the positive alligator clip on the negative and negative on the positive, that's reverse polarization, if you didn't know that, guys. So most of you guys probably do know that, but for those that don't know, if you do swap the wires over accidentally, usually you'll short out and kill the device. So it's got protection for reverse polarity and poor contact tips here, okay? Now on the side here, this is the 2.7 inch LCD screen. That's what it looks like there. And it is suitable for all different types of batteries. As you can see, you've got your standard battery just here, AGM batteries, gel type batteries, and EFB. As you can see up here, this will show you the percentage, okay, of your battery health, okay, SOC, which means basically remaining power. That's what SOC means. In the middle here, you've got your internal resistance readouts, which this will change, okay. Voltage, EDC as well, which is your electrical current amperage. So your discharge of the battery. And then we've got cold cranking amps, IEC, SAE, EN, DIN, and CA readouts on the bottom here. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do, guys, we'll have a quick look at it first. Okay, I'll take it out of the box. We'll have a quick look at it, and then I'll test it out on a healthy battery. I've got a couple of good batteries here that I have spare, as well as a couple of dead batteries here, but I'm only just going to show one of each. I've got a couple of dead batteries here that I have to actually recycle and take to the scrapyard. So it'll be interesting to see the internal resistance of the batteries that are pretty bad, okay, that are dead. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I've got it out of the box. As you can see here, it comes in a nice little carry bag. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. And here is the user manual, guys. So yeah, familiarize yourself with this. It just shows you all the key functions here, all the button layouts and what they do, okay, and all the information you need to know on here, guys. Okay, before testing, got a table here showing you different battery values. On this page we have a test results description here, so it tells you what sort of readouts you can expect from this device. As you can see here, it's showing replace at 37%. So yeah, if it's perfect, it's going to be around 90% or above, 75% for good, bad around 50%, or replace, which is below 50%, and recharge. Okay, and that's basically it for the user manual. It's in all different languages here, so yeah, pretty good booklet. It will cater to many different countries, so have a read of this and check it out before you use this tester. Okay, let's get it out of the bag here, guys. As you can see, we've got a orange and black one here. I think you can get in a different color like yellow. I think I saw that listed in some of the photos. But as you can see, we've got the 2.7-inch LCD screen here for all the readouts and information. Then we've got our buttons here. So you scroll up, down, okay, enter. I believe that's ESC is to go back, and we've got our reset button there, okay? As you can see, it's made up of plastic construction. I think it's ABS plastic. It's pretty hard, so it's going to be durable if you accidentally drop it. And if we have a closer look here, we also have another reference table, which is just like the one in the user manual that I just showed you, as a reference guide for the size and cold cranking amps of whatever battery you may have, okay? So we've got a table on the back here, and this looks like the brand name of this device, eFast, okay, of this 12-24 volt battery tester analyzer. And obviously we've got our alligator clips, the positive and negative terminals, and they're held in by a Velcro strap here to keep things nice and tidy. So let's get this on a good battery and get the readouts out of that, and also one of my bad batteries, and let's test this device out. Okay guys, so I've got my healthy battery here. Okay, so it's very simple to set up. As you can see, I've got one terminal on, the negative. I'm gonna plug in the positive. And we're on page 1 here, guys. As you can see, it just starts up straight away once you connect it. Now, we've got our different batteries here, standard, AGM, gel, and EFB. If you want to scroll through them, you can by going up or down. Okay, we're gonna press enter because this is a standard car battery. We're on page 2 now, okay? And then we want to go to page 4. It's going to calculate all the values. So as you can see, this is 100% perfect battery here. Okay, it's got the readout at the top, 100%. The dial is all the way to 100. Internal resistance is 6.5, which is good to see. It's really, really low, guys. That's what you want to see, a low number. Okay, so if I go down, we're going to see the volts, 12.8 volt there. And the cold cranking amps is at 468 just there. And that's pretty much on the money, because this is the actual 480 cold cranking amps battery. So as you can see, this battery is good to go into any car and off you go. It's perfectly healthy battery. So now what I'm going to do is get one of my bad batteries, and we'll show you the difference between the good and the bad battery compared to a perfectly healthy battery. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay guys, now I've got one of my old Century batteries here that was in one of my V8s quite a while ago. Now this one does need recycling. It's actually got a little bit of swelling on both sides. So it's done its day, it's done its job, okay, over the years. And this one was rated at, let me see, 620 amps. So it was suitable, like I said, for V8s. I had it in one of my V8 coupes. So let's connect this up, and we'll see the values of this one. All right, so we're on page 1. We're going to go to standard once again, press enter. Page 2, let's see what the internal resistance of this is like. Okay, as you can see, look at that huge number. Okay, 200 is the internal resistance on this battery, and only 4% charge, so obviously it's saying to replace it. It's totally dead. Voltage 10.1 volts, okay, and we got 12 amps. And like I said, this is a 620 cold cranking amp battery. So as you can see, totally dead. All right, now if you want to reset the values, just hit the reset button and you're good to go once again. All right, so as you can see, very good little tester, very basic and easy to use. You know, anyone can use this device. And yeah, like I said at the start of the video, I've always wanted one of these. So you can actually, you know, check exactly what's going on with your battery as far as internal resistance, your voltages, and the actual overall health of your battery. And I'm very happy with this device. So if you're interested in this particular device, I'll leave a link to Banggood where I got it in the description. Like I said, I think it was on special. Last time I looked at the site about 4 or 5 days ago, it seemed to be on special back then anyway. Hopefully it's still valid now for only 21 US dollars. So I'll definitely see if it's still on special. I'll put the coupon code in the description as well, and you can get one of these at a very low price. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a good old thumbs up. If you happen to be new to the channel, thanks very much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you like content like this. Also, leave your comments in the comment section below. It'd be great to hear from you. So until next time, guys, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.